Teachers, if you want to share your form with other teachers, first go to forms.office.com, where you can see all your forms which you have created. Select the form which you want to share, open that form, go to share. Here you have an option, share to collaborate. Click on that. Here one down arrow is there. From here you will select specific people in my organization can view and edit. Click on it. See, it is asking enter a name or email address who can access. Here you can type the name of the person with whom you want to share. Say Sonia Chawla. The name has come. Select the name of the person with whom you want to share. If we check who can access, see, it is showing Tarang Jindal owner, view and edit. Sonia Chawla also has the right to view and edit this form. Back with link, you can share it with anybody. From here you can copy the link, or now when Sonia Chawla will open her account in shared with me, in here when she opens, see, right now nobody has shared any form with me, so mine is coming blank. But when Sonia Chawla will open, she will see that form which I have shared with her. That form will appear over here. On that form, on the right side, like here, 3 dots are coming. If she clicks on those 3 dots, she will get 2 options, copy and unpin. If you click on copy, that form will come under my forms. The form which was shared with her will go under her my forms option. So this way she can share that form with class teams also.